I'm Jose.
I'm Samantha.
I'm Diego.
And this is our STEM project for Early America Energy.
Yay. So, what we want to do is use animal power to saw a piece of wood, and we thought the most practical thing would be to use a hamster, and using the hamster, it would spin a hamster wheel, driving an axle, spinning the gears, and then ending up in a blade and cutting it off.
So because this is a demo and a model, we have small scale and it's not very aesthetically pleasing, but neither is milling lumber. So this is our project, and we liked the rotational motion of the hamster wheel, so that drove our gears, which gave us a nice action for the saw.
So the building process, I started off with taking an actual hamster wheel and using shaft collars, carefully brazing two of the shaft collars to the hamster frame, and then using another two shaft collars to braze as well to the axle itself.
Okay, the next part is a gear train. It's a compound gear train. You have like one bigger gear here, a small one, and then on the same axle you have a bigger one, and that allows for the most power out of it, the highest gear ratio, and then that is then attached to the saw here, which cuts the piece of wood.
So because it's a model and it's small scale, we only have a piece of styrofoam, but it's small scale and it does work.
I'd like to make a demonstration. Be much better with the hamster. And yeah, it's perfect.
So if this were to be large scale, and it would probably work better with a log.
Yeah, we'd have actual wood.
So once again, to recap, we used animal power and our task was milling lumber.
And Edison moments?
Well, mostly this project was one Edison moment. Did you have any Edison moments with the welding?
A lot of Edison moments. I needed about 4 hands, so I had other welders help me out and try to hold the shaft collars while I slightly burn them and braze the shaft collars. So yeah, that was my Edison moments.
Yeah, there was also, we were trying to work for a while trying to get the saw blade onto the gears to make sure that it wouldn't just spin with the entire gear, but stay in one place and go from like a side-to-side motion to make sure that it can cut it instead of just going around and then keep cutting it. That was also a big part.
So our the axle that the saw blade is on actually moves, so that was definitely a difficult thing. So I think that's basically our project, so thank you for watching.